So if the Bible says, my God shall supply all your need according to his riches and glory, according to his supply, we need to see, okay, what is God's supply? Number one of God's names is Jehovah Jireh. Jehovah Jireh. Jehovah Jireh simply means, in its most simplest form, it means the Lord my provider, the Lord my provider. So we can see that God has authority to provide and supply you and to bless you to an overflow. But not only that, he has also given authority to his children and a generational wealth to believers. So, in fact, when the Bible says name, and name means reputation, and God's name is Jehovah, one of his names is Jehovah Jireh, it means he has a reputation to bless people, to provide for them, to supply for them, not only their need, but within an abundance. Within an abundance.